What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Litecoin, but before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so Litecoin, we're starting off here on the 5-day candlesticks. And the very first thing we're going to talk about is this massive triangle in the bigger time frame here. As you can see, Litecoin has been forming a triangle for quite some time now. We have this huge bullish triangle on Litecoin that took multiple years to form. So I really like this setup here with Litecoin. What you can expect from here is a lot more upside based on the breakout of this triangle. So we did break bullish out of the triangle right here. And I believe this is the beginning of a huge move because of this consolidation pattern and the bullish breakout that we just got. So that looks really good here on the bigger time frame with Litecoin. Litecoin does have a history of doing triangles, and it's not on Coinbase, but if you go to like Bitfinex or maybe it's Bitstamp, I think, you have more historical data on Litecoin, and you can see that Litecoin did a triangle just exactly like this previously. So let's look right here on Bitfinex. You can see there was also a big triangle here on Litecoin right here. So we had a big triangle down here, and that big triangle led to a big upward move, which was the 2017 bull market. So I think that's a very similar kind of pattern that we see here today for Litecoin. It's just kind of like a bigger version of that same thing here, where we have a triangle. We're starting to break bullish out of that triangle, and I think we will go a lot higher here for Litecoin in the near future as we push up through major resistance, and since we broke bullish out of that triangle. So I do think we will easily break the old all-time high as stuff really starts to take off here for crypto. That old all-time high should be super easy for us to break through for Litecoin, which will turn into something kind of like this in 2017, where price went very vertical. And I think that will happen again very soon because of this bullish breakout of the triangle on Litecoin. So I like this setup a lot, and I do see a lot more upside in the near future and throughout this bull market because of this triangle breakout. Another thing to be looking at here with Litecoin is this big downward channel versus Bitcoin. So at some point, this is going to see a spike. Now, it could break out of this channel, but at the very least, this is going to have another spike soon. We have seen a lot of these spikes along the way here with Litecoin along the way down. I do think we will see another spike, very similar to 2017, where we really broke out and up towards the top of this channel. The other thing is Bitcoin dominance at any point in time could top out. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance did top out in 2017, and Bitcoin dominance topped out in 2021. In both cases, you can see Bitcoin dominance topping out and the price of altcoins moving faster than the price of Bitcoin. And at any point in time, this can happen again for the crypto markets, in which case, then you're going to see a spike on the Litecoin Bitcoin pair, and the price of Litecoin versus the dollar is going to really skyrocket. Because if Litecoin is moving faster than Bitcoin up, then you can imagine how fast it's going to move versus the dollar. So that's how we get these big 2017-like pumps. We break out of these triangles, and then the price of altcoins start rising faster than the price of Bitcoin, and we get these big vertical moves, like what happened in 2017 was the biggest example of this. And I think we will get that again with crypto. So I'm super excited about the price of Litecoin versus the dollar, as well as the price of Litecoin versus Bitcoin. I do believe we will see a bullish move on both of these charts, and I do believe that Bitcoin dominance will top out at any point. Who knows exactly when, but it will top out. It does every single bull market as people start to think in terms of risk on. So I really like this setup here with Litecoin. I think we have a lot more upside coming and a breakout very similar to what happened in 2017 as we broke bullish out of that triangle. So I love this setup a lot. Super excited about this coin. And also, you guys, the total crypto market cap is another prime example of just how bullish crypto really is right now. So if you want to get an idea of just how high crypto can go, look at the crypto total market cap, because if you look at how far crypto climbed in 2017, this would have been one of the most prosperous bull markets for crypto ever, was 2017. Imagine another 2017-like run happening again. Nobody knows how high it will go, just how many trillion in total market cap we'll get to before this tops out again. But if it's anything like what happened in 2017, and a lot of the world market conditions are similar right now, so it definitely could be, then we're going to see one of the biggest bull markets in crypto history, especially in terms of volume and price that we reach on a lot of these coins. So this means that Litecoin's market cap could go very high in this next bull run. Nobody knows just how high crypto will go before it tops out again. We could go so high because of the conditions of the world right now and governments adopting crypto and all of the things happening right now. This could be like 2017 all over again. So get ready for big moves in the total crypto market cap. Again, nobody knows exactly how high it will go. But if you look at the market structure, if it's anything like 2017, and we're going to have a very exciting bull market for crypto. It could be very similar to it. You know, at the start, it's not going to move quite as fast, but as time goes on, it will move faster and faster, just like right here in 2017, where things were super parabolic and exciting. That's what I see coming for the total crypto market cap this cycle as it builds momentum and picks up. You've already seen what happened to Dogecoin and XLM and a lot of different coins, Peanut, the squirrel. I mean, we have a lot of bullish momentum in this market, and it's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. It's got to fully play out. People have to get really excited and hyped before it can top out again, like right here in 2017, or even right here in 2021, which was weak compared to 2017. So I think the conditions in the world could create something more like 2017 instead of 2021, where crypto is just so bullish that even though all of the world economic factors were against it, it still went up in 2021. But in 2017, every economic condition and world economic factor was more in favor of crypto. And you can see just how bullish it is when everything's set up just right. So yeah, that's my view on Litecoin and the total crypto market cap. Thank you for tuning in. Big things are coming. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.